Hey guys, today we will be making chicken back, ackee with pumpkin dumpling. Here am I cleaning and cutting the vegetables. Now that the oil is hot, guys, you want to add the chicken back in to fry. It doesn't take long to brown. Guys, we're gonna make some carrot dumplings, carrot with pumpkin and cornmeal and white flour. So we're gonna peel the carrot. Yeah, we're gonna wash pumpkin and blend it as well with the carrot to make the flour. On the plate, we're gonna blend the pumpkin and the carrot. Add it to the pan, you guys. And flour to the mix. Mix everything in. You can see the carrots and the pumpkin skin with the pumpkin. It's all in. It's all in. There we go. the green plantain. This is cassava. Cassava, guys. Guys, we're gonna add everything in. So we're gonna put it down now. Guys, we're gonna add in a little browning. Give it a little shade. Scotch bonnet pepper, a little Maggi, and guys, don't forget our seasoning: brown seasoning, onion, tomato, carrot. Alright, so we're gonna have the ackee, the chicken back. Just barely stir it. Guys, we're ready to dig in. Piece of the pumpkin dumpling with the carrot, with the ackee. Delicious, guys. Nice, guys. 10 out of 10.